Yeah. How do you have bad Q times as a tank?
I know, you should be fucking easy.
On a trial, no less. I can understand if it was a dungeon, but a fucking trial?
That's odd. That's really fucking odd.
Yeah, it is. Well, I'm here, and so is a snowman. Cool.
Snowman?
Oh,
Let's
and a
go.
Chippendale. What? Hello.
Chippendale or Chippendale?
The stage,
oh no.
The stage is going ham with the Chippendale. What the fuck?
Oh no.
Yes. I love the other Boon we joined.
Oh, fucking Boonwees.
I love this already.
Hardcore WoW is like insane.
What? You
feel my fury.
Please don't give it to me.
Tears of the Kingdom.
Oh, thank God.
The ball.
What? What? Please, no, 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 no.
No chicken escapes from Trudy's farm.
I tried really hard. Ah, shit. Huh? Huh? Bro, you're not B!
Be gone from my sight. The insolence.
Short fire. Neff calls if it's melee swap or not, and then Jason calls if it's where the tethers are. Yeah, it's worked out.
It's just basic relativity, the most complicated of all the relativities.
Cherim jumped behind. Okay, Cherim and Skye are jumping, and they're just like my lag is making it in the air. You guys are floating.
It's jumping now.
I'm jumping like.
Are we floating above you like
I say we intimidate her. We surround her and jump.
We should. You know, is it like the replicas in Kingdom Hearts 3 where they're just floating ominously?
Stop it! I feel like I'm being bullied.
Kingdom Hearts 3 2019.
Yeah, I can't believe Sky did it. Breaking people's shields like that.
Mine.
Skye?
Yes.
Why?
Why not?
4.
Floor.
I rescued him.
Oh, good. He needs to know that somebody cares.
I'm gonna get Grandpa. I called.
When you nut and she want more.
Oh my.
When you nut, 1,000-fold thrust.
More fucking.
Wish just gave me a back massage.
Well,
Okay,
so much
got
for
it.
No
that.
button. Hunter will though.
Well, so I'm waiting.
God, I can't use interact on you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more and I get them out. Oh, thank you. I was trying to reach that spot.
Oh my god! God damn it.
There you go, Gun.
Gone. Like.
Dodge or pray. I like this. You know, this part is my favorite part of the fight because it's just so funny. It's just like dodge, fucker. Your uptime is down. Where are you?
I got hit.
Now.
Oh no. I got 2 vulns, buddy.
I lived. Oh, I think I killed the healer.
I gotta get
no.
to see. I gotta get to see.
Alright, Vicious, time to play Tears of the Kingdom now.
What?
Oh no, I'm gonna play it tomorrow, Glenn. I played too much Starship today. I even
And
played
beat
it,
the
match while I was
game.
at work. While I was working.
I'm gonna die.
Ooh.
Just because I wanted to try it. I was like,
I just.
Oh no. Please. Please, let me live. No! Kill the boss! Kill the boss! Oh my god. Kill her! Oh no, she's okay. Once she's engine, she's done. Jesus
That was the
Christ.
funniest clear in the world.
Holy. That was so good. Oh. Yeah.
whatever it's called.
Are you? What?
What happened?
What happened? I was right. Let me check the. Let me check this.
Also, Edge gets a gang of ninjas that join him.
Of course he does. Okay, so the Astro is level 81. They just started Endwalker.
Okay.
Their highest is Warrior at 81. It doesn't look like they leveled anything. Oh, hi! Tanks! Tank! Provoke!
Oh, I don't think he does. He know? I gotta help here. Help the healer. There.
Ooh! Help me! Thank you.
Oh hey, I got a card. I think I already have it though. Yes, I did. No more.
Man, I haven't gotten a card.
Red Mage did.
Rapier.
Who wants the red mage weapon?
I'd take it.
There's
I'll agree for it.
there's too many good red mage weapons. Like
Yeah.
even if I
I'll pass
decided
on.
to like do red mage at some
got
point,
the
there's
rock.
like
Wait a minute.
Funny.
Wait a minute. How?
there's like 10
Wait
other
a
red
minute.
mage weapons I've used.
Did
What?
y'all pat?
What?
Who greeted? Who greeted on that mount?
No, I think everyone already has it.
Oh, I already
You
have
really?
the
I
mask.
suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
reading.
all.
Oh, cause Shay
Wait,
already
wait.
got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop
Yeah.
greeting
Guys, you've
Sky.
been greeting on the mountain.
Damn it! I exposed myself.
Sky last name.
Okay,
Whoa,
we have to learn the lesson here. So next time, like from now on, we're all going to greed on mouse,
Oh,
not need greed.
damn it.
Sky.
I'm sorry.
It's been almost 2 years. You have to stop. You have to start being greedy.
Yeah.
And I don't mean
All
greedy like roll on greed.
Wait. Oh yeah, is this the last? Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, this is the last one.
So this is it. Yeah, it's not even like a Oh, sorry, Jason hand. Not even like a cast. It's like it's.
The effect of it.
Yeah.
Like,
Palm cure.
Hunter, you have a row who likes your duds.
There we go.
Ouch.
Sorry, everybody. I don't remember how to play them.
I don't either. I don't know what any of my buttons do. For my Reaper thing, I took the text off of the ability descriptions, so I don't know what any of the spells I'm picking are until I'm casting them.
Hunter!
Hey, I did it!
We got this.
He really likes you, Hunty.
Oops, I used Final Sting.
Oh wait, we gotta get her up. Hand, wait, we gotta get her up. I got her.
So I'm going to be a healer on Tuesday for the normal raids to, you know, care for Morgana.
Sure.
So as a result,
I
want to show.
Oh my gosh, so many. Whoa.
He still has. There he goes. He committed.
You disgusting freak.
Disgusting.
I hate you. I hate everything about you right now.
Disgusting freak.
I'm gonna take this into PvP.
I hate you.
After I get to rank 20, for now.
I can't. Cause he was up here. He's dead now.
Now the Black Mage is dead.
Yeah.
Did you know, you can super delay the fuck out of this attack?
Yeah. That's what they're doing.
Oh, yes! Good! Excellent! We do love delay strats. Okay, now you probably want to put it on.
Oh. He doesn't have it anymore. He doesn't have the chain anymore.
What happens? Oh! He just gets a super damage buff. Okay, neat.
Why am I...
He gets a damage... He gets a 16 buff!
Holy shit, thank you, Gun.
Haste plus!
Okay, come on! Someone needs to fucking tank this! Someone needs to tank this! It hurts! Ah! I can't believe we died. We died to Cerberus!